Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Currambine filming NIS trains here. Today is the 12th of the 13th of April 2022. I think they're running extra Perth services as the Perth train just left platform 1, even though the PID, or the timing screen says 8 minutes. Just after the Perth train left, the PID said 8 minutes and then changed to 13. I am in a mild state of confusion here. Now arriving on the platform 2, we have a Butler service. Come through cars, the EMU 53. 53, sorry. Come through cars, the EMU 53, and the rear 3 cars. EMU 126. EMU's 53 and 126, leading a service to Butler. The train will stop at Clarkson and Butler. Next train is a Clarkson service, I think, due in 4 minutes. I was correct, but the Butler PID keeps saying flashing 1 minute even though the train just left. The screen is still flashing and the Clarkson train's due in 3 minutes, so unless it doesn't change, it keeps flashing, or it changes. It's either one of the two that the PID will choose. With the Butler PID still flashing, we have a Clarkson service arriving onto platform 2. It's still flashing. This is a Clarkson service, not a Butler service. This PID must be glitched or something. Front 3 cars, EMU 123. Yes, this train is totally going to Butler Station. Front 3 cars, EMU 123. Rear 3 cars, EMU 97.
Attention passengers. Transfer the trains advises passengers.
With no one getting off the train, EMU's 123 and 97, leaving platform 2 for a Clarkson service. As you can see that the PID, you barely see, the PID is still flashing Butler 1 minute. One train later and it still hasn't decided to change. I do not know when the next train is, but I can look right now.
May I have your attention, please? The next train to Clarkson does not stop at this station. Please stand on
Already? It's 10:11 and they usually come at 10:30. Yeah, the PID is definitely broken. It just says Butler. It just said Butler 2 minutes and then started flashing Butler 1 minute. The PID is broken. It is glitched. Something is an electronic problem. It is stuck on Butler 6 car 1 minute. But the COVID mask mandate notification on the bottom still works, so that's the best part, I think. Okay, the PID finally changed. Butler 10 minutes. And then the PID on the Perth side went from 8 minutes to 6 minutes. It's like it's taking away the time in chunks. It's been 4 minutes since the announcement for the NIS train, so it's gonna come, it still hasn't come yet. Now arriving on the platform 1, we have a Perth service, EMU 59 is leading. I can barely see my phone, so I'm really trying hard to not press the wrong button. EMU is 59 and 105, I think, leading a service to Perth. The train will stop at Joondalup, Edgewater, Whitford, Greenwood, Warwick, then all stations to Perth. Then we'll stop at Elizabeth Quay, Canning Bridge, Bull Creek, Murdoch, and then all stations to Mandurah. Yep, rear 3 cars is EMU 105. Next train, I believe, is due in 13 minutes. Now arriving onto platform 2, we have a Butler service. Let's hope the PID doesn't get stuck on... Oh, there's the NIS train announcement. That's the proper one. I wonder if this is the NIS train. EMU 116 leading. And the 3 cars is EMU 96. So that announcement that came on at 10:11 was not real. It wasn't accurate. It was 10 minutes before the next trains were supposed to come. EMU's 116 and 96 departing for Butler. The train will stop at Clarkson and Butler. There we go. That took a long time. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm barely noticing it, but I'm really steady. But the camera makes it look like I'm really steady with the camera. Next train does not stop, but the next due train to stop here is in 14 minutes. Now about to pass platform 2, we have the first news train. The train is not fast, not that fast. It's slowing down because the signal is yellow. EMU 113 leading. And it's just got the green. Front 3 cars, EMU 113, rear 3 cars, EMU 79. Now about to pass platform 2, we have the last news train for the morning. EMU 55 leading. And EMU 114 trailing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, everybody.